Yo, I think I'm about to record this video on my phone. I'm mad tired though. Yo guys, so it's the Julian Barboza back with another video, and today I'm gonna be getting my hair permed, all right? This is how it looks before. Kind of messy, you know, whatever. Yo, don't mind this, I need a shave. But yeah, I'm waiting to get my hair done. I'm gonna show y'all what I do in 2020, and I've had my hair done for over a year now, so I know what I'm doing. People a long time ago, yo, you're gonna go bald, this, and that. Look at my hair, bro. Does it look like I'm going bald? I don't know why people would say that. I just had to throw it in. But yeah, I've been doing this for over a year now. I'm showing y'all what I do up to date 2020, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what rods I do. Honestly, I don't know how long my hair is, but y'all about to see the whole process. It shouldn't be that hard, guys. It's really not that hard. It's you wake up, you call somebody, say, yo, I want to get my hair permed. All right, and then you go in, make sure you got some length, and don't overthink it, bro. It's not that. A lot of people are like this, that. Can I sleep on? Just go to sleep. But yeah, you go in, they should wash your hair out, and then they're gonna put some solution in your hair, and then they're gonna start rolling your hair. It's gonna take about maybe like 2 hours, maybe. Worst case scenario, 2 hours. Then they take out the rods and they put some more solution, and then you should be done. It's not that hard. After, you don't wash your hair for 48 hours. But yo, if you haven't yet, make sure you go cop the merch. For real, there we go. This is how the merch be looking in person. Boom, Barboza Reflective Tee. All right, barbozastore.com. If you haven't yet, go cop your merch. I'm super tired, I don't know why, but yeah, we out. All right, yo, we're finally inside, but before you get a perm, make sure that you cut the sides first.
Yeah, you always want to get a haircut first. That way you can wash all the hairs off when you shampoo the hair.
Right. So me and Erica are talking about what rods to get, right? She said that some people get all kind. What kind of rods do people get?
I mean, everybody's getting all different colors. You know, like I said, a lot of places, they only want to do one perm rod color on you. Like, I like to do a variation of colors for a pattern because, you know, your natural hair is not only one size curl. So having 2-3 different curls, I think it makes it look more natural, and it just overall looks good. My suggestion is, you know, you got to look at the thickness of your hair. You got to remember, it's longer, so it's going to weigh down more. If you go with too big of a curl, your curl's not going to last you as long because it's going to get weighed down. I would say do a combination, you know, of maybe the largest curl that you're thinking, but throw some smaller ones in there so you'll have that nice curl to last you a little bit longer.
So I think for this one, I think I'm going to just do with the blue, pink, and gray. So that's like good mixture of every size, right?
Yeah, because you're gonna have some smaller, tighter ones, some nice curls in there. You're gonna have a little bit more bigger ones in there, but then they're all tie in and just complement each other.
Right.
It all depends on the salon too, because some people are like, oh, I'm not gonna be doing different rod sizes, and you know what I mean, like.
Yeah. Or I've seen videos
that
like
they only do one color.
Yeah, or they do like 6 rods.
Yeah.
Like 6 big rods. I'm like, holy crap! I don't know how they do that.
Because what they're just doing the basic perm that we were taught in cosmetology. We're just gonna do your rods this way. And you can do less rods, you know, versus, you know, the spiral perm that I do. Is it's, you know, little individual, taking smaller.
Right. And plus, I don't think people are gonna want to take the time to do all the.
Yep. And but then could you imagine the price?
Yeah.
That's like I'm saying, when you pulled around to get prices, you know, they were saying like $70, $80. You were getting a price for just a basic perm.
Right.
Some people have come in with me, and I asked, they showed me pictures, and it's just a basic perm. I'm like, how much did you pay for that? Like $80. I'm like, that's like 30 rods, if that. I always put at least 100.
For real?
At least
100.
At least 100 rods. God. All right, how much we taking off?
Probably like ½ an inch, or a little more than ½ an inch.
3/4 of an inch?
Yeah, 3/4. I think that's good. Snip, snip, snip. I need to get some off. My hair is at 6 inches right now. Alright, so we just trimmed my hair because it was way too long, going past my eyebrows. Now what are we gonna do?
Shampoo, and then we'll start rolling.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, so this is the new perm solution we're using. We're upgrading now. We've moved on to Quantum Ultra Firm. Alright, this is what I'm using. You always wonder exactly what I use. This is what I am using. Alright, look it up. Whoever does your hair, that's the one I'm using. I'm not saying it's the best one or to go, but that is what I am using. Alright, go ahead and try it. Yo, this is the stuff that smells, right? So if you got a product, close your nose, get a little clothespin, do something.
Okay. Few moments later.
Boom, we got the tight curl. Looks amazing, bro. My hair's gonna expand a little bit after I'm done, but this is a super tight curl. It's gonna look amazing, bro. August is gonna be a good freaking month. Just wait. But yeah, this is how it looks straight out after. That's the process. I'm mad tired, bro, but I just wanted to show you exactly what I do, because I know you don't want to be known. So there we go. All right, yo, I just wanted to show you all my hair. 48 hours. Actually, I got my hair done on Tuesday. Today's Friday. But look, this is how it looks, bro. I finally put some hair product in it. My hair's looking banging, bro. No cap. Boom, boom. Y'all saw the process, bro. This is about as best as you can get it. All right. I think that's as best as you can get it. But I just want to answer a few more questions before this video ends. When I first got my hair done, it was about 4 inches long. How often? I usually get my hair perm like every 2 to 3 months. It's about 80 bucks. I'm trying to get all the questions out, guys, because I really don't want to make any more hair videos. I want to get bigger. I want to do bigger and better things, bro. And I can't just be making hair videos the rest of my life. You feel me? Yeah, if you have yet, make sure you go cop the merch. BarbozaStore.com. And let me show you the product I use. All right, this is super important. Like, this is like right here, multicultural curls. I'll put a link in the description. The best stuff to use. That's what I use. Works for me. But yeah, this is how it looks after. So yeah, there you go, bro. If y'all have any other questions, go watch my other hair videos. I've been doing this for a year, so I got tons of videos. Any questions, please don't DM me on Instagram. But go follow me on Instagram, all right?